back to Ageless Strength Line Dancing with Dr. Tina. I am so happy you're here. We're going to do a tutorial on county line. This is an oldie but goldie, one of my very favorites. Now, there are a few different songs for this dance, and so be sure when you look below, you've got a couple different options, okay? And I'll maybe keep adding more. Okay, here we go. I will tell you, there's a lot of step ball changes and a lot of like little turns in this one. So just take a deep breath and exhale it out. All right. So we're going to start with our right foot, okay? And we're going to walk it forward, right, left, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Pause 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3. Pause 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right foot's going back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here's the step, and then we'll put the turn, okay? We're just rocking it, and a step, ball, change, and it's a rock, step, step, ball, change. Here's what gets people messed up, is the turn with it, okay? And so just think you're turning on the step, ball, change, okay? So let's take it from the beginning and kind of add that in and just think we're turning a half turn on the step ball change. So right foot leads. We walk right, left, right, pause, cross, back, step, ball, change. Right, rock, step, and a step ball change. And we're turning it and a rock, step with the left, and a step, ball, change. Okay? Let's try it one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, left, right, pause, cross, back, step, ball, change, rock right, right, step, ball, change, rock left. And then we're going to step, ball, change, and we're going to turn it out. Okay? Let's try it just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, right, goes, right, 1, 2, 3, pause, 5, 6, left, 7, 8, right, rock, step, right, step, ball, change, left, rock, step, here, and then guess what? We go again. We go to the sidewall, right, left, right, pause, cross, and back, and turn, and back, and turn, and step, ball, change. So you're going to step, ball, change, and you're going to turn it to the sidewall. Let's do it a couple times face on. I think that this dance, if we kind of practice it straightforward a few times, and then we can get the turns in, okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, walk it up and right, left, right, pause, cross, step, left, ball, change, rock right, and right, ball, change, rock left, and left, ball, change, right, starts again. Right, left, right, pause, cross, and back, left, and right, ball, change. There you go. And left, rock, step, step, ball, change. And 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, and left, back, rock, right, step, ball, change, right, rock, left, step, ball, change, left, and start over. 2, 3, pause, cross, and left, back, ball, change, rock, right, right, ball, change, rock, left, left, ball, change, start it over. 2, 3, cross, and left goes back, and right, ball, change. Yes, yes, yes. Let's do it a couple times straightforward. You see what I was talking about the turns? So let's just keep doing it forward if you'd like to for the time being. 5, 6, 7, right and right, left, right, pause, cross, step, left goes back, ball, change, right, rock, and right, ball change, rock left, and left ball change. And right, left, right, pause, cross, step, left, and rock, step on the right, and right ball change, rock left, and left ball change. And start it over. Okay, you got this. Let's dance it out. Like I said, there's a couple of amazing songs that this goes to. Can't wait to do it with you.